Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be explaining to everyone what the Temu influencer program is really about and the benefits. First, influencers earn through affiliate commissions, which is 20% app download, bonuses, and referrals. The Temu program also provides perks like free products, discount for followers, and a chance to high-paying bonuses. The Temu Influencer program offers influencers a way to earn income and build their brand by promoting Temu products and services. Earn up to 20% commissions on purchases made through your affiliate links. Earn $5 for each new user who downloads the Temu app using your referral link. Earn $10 for each person you refer to the Temu affiliate program. Participate in contests where top earners can win $10,000 every 3 days. Isn't that nice? You can earn an additional $3 for the first time you share your affiliate link or your coupon code. It doesn't cost anything for you guys to join the Temu affiliate program, influencer program. You need either YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram with up to at least, I would say, like 1,000 followers or more. The more the better, y'all. Receive free products from the Temu to showcase and review. Offer exclusive discounts to your followers, boosting engagements and sales. You can partner with a popular and trusted brand like Temu. Create content that resonates with your audience, y'all. You can benefit from exclusive prices and offers on a wide range of products. Enjoy free shipping on all orders. Guys, use my referral link to join and connect with your YouTube or social media accounts. To sign up, it's free. You don't have to pay anything to sign up. You start creating content, showcase Temu products, and share your very own affiliate link and coupon code. The Temu Influencer Program offers a rewarding opportunity for influencers to monetize their content and connect with a vast audience for marketing purposes. So you guys, enjoy signing up and creating content, partnering with Temu.